Happy December, everybody. We hope your month has been awesome. And if you're watching this on the day you received it, Merry Christmas. We hope you have a wonderful holidays if you're celebrating. Now, for us here at Muscle Activation Schaumburg, this has been our second full month in our new office, and it has been wonderful just getting settled in again, getting things kind of rearranged and organized in the way that we want them to be. And we still have some work to go with that, but it's all coming together and we are loving being here.
One of the highlights of month 2 in the new MAS space is that we got a sort of permanent sign for our door.
Right?
I thought it was so funny. Me and my clients were joking that I went from a paper sign to then I took a marker and wrote on it backwards so that it would go on our glass doors. But anyways, that was a non-significant cool thing that happened in month 2 of our new spot.
Now, despite changing location, we've still been really consistent with putting out our content. We've been continuing with our podcast every week, with our 2-Minute Tuesdays every week, as well as kind of gearing up for this next round of the One Workout Away Challenge. And this next round of the One Workout Away Challenge starts Sunday, January 3rd. So if you're interested in, after the turn of the year, using that first month to really learn how to use exercise to build the health and function of your body, then you're going to want to go to owa.matschaumburg.com and sign up for this One Workout Away Challenge. There's a huge educational component, but there are some really fun live workouts, 2 of them every single week as well, and we have been getting a lot of great reviews about those live workouts and the challenge overall.
So all you need to join the challenge is to go to the website owa.matschaumburg.com. You need $27 for participating, and you need a Facebook page. So it's super easy, super affordable, and we hope to see you there.
And in addition to that, we also still have our home workout program that has been getting rave reviews. And this is the workouts that we put together during the stay-at-home period that we helped people with every day from our Facebook page, going live from our Facebook page, and we've compiled them into a really convenient, super compact workout program that's 75 days, includes over 100 workouts from resistance training to cardio workouts, mobility workshops, and recovery days. The big thing about it, if you start with us on day 1 and you go all the way through to day 75, we will be progressing you along the way so you're able to work out 75 days in a row, which is a really big thing for a lot of people. And now it's time for a monthly Would You Rather. This month, I get to ask Julie.
Oh, yay.
All right, so Julie, given that it is Christmas today, would you rather be riding on Santa's sleigh as it's flying through the nighttime air to deliver all the gifts,
Yes.
okay, all around the world,
Okay.
all right, or would you rather hand deliver gifts to all the houses in the neighborhood?
I think I'd rather hand deliver gifts to all the houses in the neighborhood.
I think that's a wonderful choice. I think flying in Santa's sleigh would maybe be like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, but that would be a really long night, and I know you're not a big fan of flying. So.
And it would be like a really large commitment. I think our neighborhood would be more manageable and maybe more fun because.
Well, yeah, you get to see everything. Exactly, absolutely. So I think that would be a lot of fun. Which would you rather do? Hand deliver gifts to people, or join the big man in his sleigh for one wild night going all the way around the world, delivering gifts everywhere? Drop a comment below or send us a message to let us know. We hope you have a wonderful Christmas. We hope you have an amazing New Year's. Have a great rest of 2020, and we will see you all next year. See ya!